Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing good. So today we are at Indira Gandhi Zoological Park in Vishakhapatnam. Let's see how this is. I've been here probably 2 or 3 times maximum, not been much. So I thought let me show my viewers, my subscribers, my dear friends, everybody what this beautiful Indira Gandhi Zoological Park looks like. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. If you like my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Have a great day.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾడు ಪಾಪು
As you see, there's not many people. This is the day of the festival of Ugadi, which is the 10th of April. Is a Wednesday, so there's not many people here, and it's also pretty hot. It's a summertime, so there's not many people. There's very few people, but still, it's good. You get an opportunity to open up, to spread up, and to take on straight time. Hope you enjoy my channel. There's not many people at the moment. This is also the day after the festival in Andhra Pradesh, which is Ugadi, and this is 10th of April 2024, the Wednesday of the month. And there's very few people. It's still good. It's also sunny. That's also one of the reasons why not many people showed up. It's still good. I get an opportunity. It's all for me, all for very few people. Hope you enjoy my channel. If you like it, give it a like, share, and subscribe. these are the vehicles which are at the entrance of the zoological park, which can pick you up, drop you if required. I guess there's a payment, I'm not sure though. This park looks a very beautiful park. More than the animals, it looks a beautiful park with many trees to sit down, hang out, relax. There's also banyan tree if you see guys. There's few of the banyan trees in the park. It's a beautiful time to relax, spend some time. Hi friends, as you see, there's quite few people, not many people as I mentioned. At the same time, there's not many animals there. It's pretty quiet actually. There's very few animals here and there. So yeah, probably because I've been to other places and I see the bigger animals in kind of a person in Thailand, especially in Thailand and Africa. So probably I feel it's pretty small compared to the other places. But probably people who are not exposed to other places and not exposed to the animals lively, so probably this is a great place for them. Definitely gonna enjoy it. Looks like the animals here are resting down because it's pretty hot. Hi guys, as I mentioned, there's not much actually, but when I'm walking through, it's a big space actually, big beautiful park where you can sit and relax guys, definitely for sure. But when I was walking down, there's two places which comes to my mind which are very beautiful to watch the animals pretty closely, and there's many animals. It's outside India, there's two different countries, and it's pretty easy for Indians to get a visa. One is Thailand, which is just 3 hours flight drive from here to Thailand, and there's a lot of beautiful animals and we can see them pretty closely, very closely, and there's many animals actually. You can take a picture in person. It's definitely, if you have opportunity, if you have time, if you have money, please visit Thailand. There's few places in Thailand where you can see the animals pretty closely. And the next is Africa, Kenya. I've been to both the places last year, and Kenya, there's a lot of videos here. If you want to watch my videos, guys, there's a lot of videos from Thailand and Africa as well. So Africa is a little bit expensive because it's far from here, but there's also beautiful animals. We can get a pretty close picture, say elephants or say giraffes. Wow, you can feed them, literally feed them. In Thailand, you can get a picture or video next to the tiger. Wow, it's awesome. So please do it if you have time. Hope you enjoyed my video and my channel. If you like it, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.